Weeks of suspense ended as the president nominated Washington, D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals Chief Judge Merrick Garland to the nation's highest court.
I've selected a nominee who is widely recognized not only as one of America's sharpest legal minds, but someone who brings to his work a spirit of decency, modesty, integrity, even-handedness, and excellence.
This is the greatest honor of my life, other than Lynn agreeing to marry me 28 years ago.
Considered a judicial moderate, Garland has been on the federal bench for nearly 2 decades.
Fidelity to the Constitution and the law has been the cornerstone of my professional life, and it is the hallmark of the kind of judge I have tried to be for the past 18 years. Trust that justice will be done in our courts without prejudice or partisanship is what, in a large part, distinguishes this country from others.
I simply ask Republicans in the Senate to give him a fair hearing.
The Senate's majority leader delivered a prompt response.
Our view is this: give the people a voice in filling this vacancy.
Most Republicans restated their refusal to consider any nominee Obama puts forward in the last year of his presidency.
The Senate will appropriately revisit the matter when it considers the qualifications of the nominee the next president nominates, whoever that might be.
Democrats are keeping up the pressure on Republicans.
I do hope they will do their constitutional duty and give President Obama's nominee a meeting, a hearing, and a vote.
Legal analysts say Garland will not excite Obama's progressive backers, but is a solid strategic choice given the partisan divides in Washington.
When you're dealing with that kind of climate, it's really important to have someone who is a consensus nominee. He is not a surprise to those who are in the legal profession.
Opposition parties have long sought to frustrate presidential judicial nominations. Garland is expected on Capitol Hill in coming days, but most Senate Republicans refuse even to meet with him. Michael Bowman, VOA News, the Capitol.